Hello dear students, I am Prabodh. So students, in the previous class we covered velocity time relation, that is v equal to u plus at. In this class we will start equation for position time relation. Okay, so let us consider that the object has traveled a distance s in time t under uniform acceleration a. So what is the meaning of this statement? So we consider this is an object which is at point A. It will travel a distance s and reach to its destination point B. So at point A, let its initial velocity is u. At point B, the final velocity of the object is v. So from traveling point A to point B, the time taken by the object is t. So here u is the initial velocity, t is the time, v is the final velocity, as is the displacement traveled by the object from point A to point B. Okay, in this condition, the distance traveled by the object is obtained by the area enclosed within OABC under the velocity time graph AB. Thus, the distance traveled traveled by the object is given by S is equal to area OABC, which is a trapezium. Okay, now this is related to graph. So if we again go to that graph, here you can see this is point A, this one. At this point, the initial velocity of the body is u. This is point B. At this point, the final velocity of the body is v. Here v. Now t is the time taken by the body from point A to point B. Okay. Now here we are going to calculate with the help of this graph, that is velocity and time graph, what is the total displacement traveled by the body. So in the previous class I explained you that how to find out displacement with the help of velocity time graph. That is nothing but area under this curve, area under the graph, this line AB. So this is the line AB. Area under the line AB means this total region enclosed by AB, x-axis and y-axis, this total red outline. Okay. Now if I draw a middle line here, join AD. So this is a triangle, ADB is a triangle, AOCD is a rectangle. This is a rectangle, this is a triangle. If you find out the area of the triangle and area of the rectangle and add it, you will find out the total area under the curve AB, which is nothing but the displacement traveled by the body. Okay, so let us do our calculation. For the calculation, first we have to draw the diagram. This is the velocity, this is time, this is point A and this is point B. Okay, now this is the point O, this one is point E. Now from B we draw an imaginary line. The blue lines, these are imaginary lines, as I have already mentioned you. Okay. Now this point is D, this point is C. Okay, so area under the curve AB is the area, AB is the curve, area under the curve, it will take this triangle plus this rectangle. So area under the curve shows the displacement. So S is the displacement. S equal to area of triangle plus area of rectangle. So what is the area of triangle? Everyone knows the area of triangle is half into base into height. So here what is the base here? Base is nothing but AD. What is the height here? Height is nothing but BD. So here half into base, that is AD, into height. Height is nothing but BD. Okay. Plus rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Base into height. Base is here OC, height is OA. So OC into OA. Okay. Again half into AD. What is AD? AD is nothing but the time. Here AD and OC both are equal. OC is the time taken by the body from point A to point B. So AD is also T, time. So AD can be represented as T, time, into BD. What is BD? At point B the velocity is V. At point A the velocity is U. At point A if the velocity is U, at point D is also velocity is U. Okay, this one I have already explained. Okay, so BD is nothing but V minus U. V minus U. Plus what is OC? OC again here is time into OA. What is OA? OA is nothing but the initial velocity, that is U. Okay. Now V minus U. Now in the last video we proved a relation that V equal to U plus A into T. If I bring this U here, this side, in the left hand side, it will be equal to V minus U is equal to A T. V minus U equal to AT. So in place of V minus U we can write AT. So half into T into A T plus this T into U becomes U T. That is, if I write this one first UT, it will become U T plus this half and A T into T becomes T square. So this is nothing but the displacement. So here we have proved the final result of this graph, which is S equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is all about this class. In the next class we'll prove that V square minus U square equal to 2AS. This one will prove in the next class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.